Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we're going to look at 132 5th Street, Unit 1. This is a first floor apartment. This unit is a one bedroom. It includes heat and hot water for utilities and has off-street parking. There's a parking lot right outside the building. This unit has been repainted. This is the main living room area, your front door. Here we have the bathroom, full-size tub and shower. Over here we have the kitchen with plenty of cabinet space. Nice stainless steel sink. Gas stove and fridge. This apartment is located in a convenient area next to a lot of businesses and also public transportation such as bus lines. This is the bedroom. Here we have a very spacious closet. This unit is also cable and internet ready. You also have a back door exit. This unit is managed by Nexus, meaning you have benefits such as paying rent online, also having access to a 24-hour hotline for emergency and maintenance requests. And also we offer services such as key copying. Again, this is 132 5th Street, Fall River, Massachusetts.